Hi everyone! You might run into some issues logging in to Snapchat where for some reason it keeps telling you that login is temporarily disabled, possibly due to virus or malware, or any other reasons. Now there are few ways to fix this, but most of the time, if it is widespread, meaning Snapchat will randomly have random issues, in this case you will just pretty much have to wait it out for them to fix it. A great way to test if it is a Snapchat problem or your device problem is going to sites like downdetector.com and see if it is in there. Another way, if they are trending on Twitter or any other social media. Now, if you are the only one having this issue, you could check the update of the app on Play Store or App Store. If there is an update, update your application, and most of the time it will work. Other than that, if it still doesn't work, you could uninstall the application and then reinstall it back again. Also, you could check your Wi-Fi connection if there is an issue because it will cause that problem as well. And that's it. Thank you for watching.